Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can use this new CapCut PC Pro feature in CapCut PC. Have this video here, and if I go to cutout and just selected auto cutout, I'll still have like a lot of this purple background on the edges like this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select chroma key, select the color picker, and I'm going to select the purple area. You can obviously use green screen, but I'm just going to use this purple background. Here you can adjust the strength first, and here you can select feather edge to even feather out the edges. You can even clean it up a little, but I'm just going to leave it like this. But again, this can only work if you have the Pro feature here. So yeah, that is the new feature. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.